So the first thing I'm going to do is to clean this chicken up. I'm going to clean these chicken legs. I see a lot of this yellow nasty stuff on my legs, and I'm going to cut it off with my scissors. I'm going to get these chicken legs as clean as possible, okay? So go to all pieces of your chicken, cut extra fat off, extra skin. Next, I'm going to scrub my chicken legs with a lemon. We are going to get all of that gunk off. If you don't have a lemon, go ahead, rinse it under that water. Get as much dirt off as possible. Next, I'm going to brine my chicken with some water. That's right, some water, some salt, some lemon, and some garlic, and some hot sauce. And you can brine your chicken up for 24 hours. Heavily salt that water so you can get that flavor into your chicken. Now, if you don't want to use the salt, you don't have to. Just use the hot sauce. Put you some seasoning in your bag. Put the lemon on in the bag, okay? Or a bowl, whatever you choose to brine your chicken in. Here, I'm using some kosher salt. You can use iodized salt. Just use some seasoning. Brine your chicken. The salt is the best for brining your chicken, okay? We're trying to impart some flavor to the inside of the chicken. That's why we're brining it, okay? I have some minced garlic. You can use whole garlic cloves. It doesn't matter. But I have minced garlic, so that's what I'm going to use. And I put a little of that garlic juice in there. Now I'm going to add me some hot sauce. Go ahead. Add you some hot sauce. Add as much as you like or as little as you like. But add enough so that your chicken can get some flavor from that hot sauce. I like a little kick to my chicken. I like spicy chicken. Some people don't, but guess what? This girl right over here does, okay? I'm frying this chicken Sunday for my family. So we can eat some rice and we're going to have some sweet peas. Not doing collard greens today. I don't have time to cut and clean them. I got something to do. So we're going to have this fried chicken, and I just brought you guys along for the ride. Now, after I allowed my chicken to brine up for almost 24 hours, not a full 24 hours, but that's what's recommended, I'm going to mix in about 3 large tablespoons of cornstarch to 1 cup of flour. Go ahead and add in your seasonings, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder. That's some all-purpose seasoning that I'm using. And the all-purpose seasoning has onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, a lot of more stuff in it, okay? And you're just going to mix that up. And I add the chili powder. Like I said, I like a little kick. I like a little spice. After we mix it together, you go ahead and heat up your oil to 375. That's right. Go ahead and start heating up your oil to 375 before you start to batter your chicken. Because once you get it battered, you need to go ahead and place it on in the oil. Okay, I'm going to use 1 liter of Sprite. Sprite, it adds a little crispness to it. If you don't have Sprite, go ahead, use some water, use some buttermilk, okay? Wet batter, use some eggs. But we finna batter this chicken on up. And if you don't have any of that, just use your plain flour, okay? So go ahead, dip that chicken over in the Sprite. After you hit it with your dry batter, you're gonna go back into the dry batter after you use your wet liquid, whatever you're using. I got Sprite. You can use club soda. It doesn't matter. And you're going to keep battering it, and then you're going to set it to the side, okay? Get all your chicken battered up good first, okay? Because that's what I'm doing. It's going to take a minute, but you'll get it done because I had a large bag of chicken. So if you got a smaller bag, it won't take as long, okay? So, and also make sure you shake off that excess flour. You do not need the excess flour on your chicken. Once your oil comes to the temperature of 375, it's going to go down once you add your chicken in to about 340. Do not overcrowd your pan, okay? So that's why I'm only placing 3 pieces of my chicken legs in here to fry. I don't want my chicken to boil. Trust me, if you add too much chicken in there, it's going to boil. All done. Beautiful golden brown fried chicken. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on frying chicken. Fry your chicken for up to 14 minutes. 12 to 14 minutes for chicken legs. And this is going to be for our Sunday dinner. Thanks for watching.